Ask Tom on Home Show.
Brad from Westphalia, Michigan, has a question about ventilation.
He has an old farmhouse, Tom, and I think it was built in the days before they thought about ventilation. He says, Brad writes, the previous owners had a roof installed with ridge vents, but the soffit is closed. I attempted to place vented soffit in sections, but everything is blocked. So I added gable vents, thinking some airflow is better than nothing. The two-story attic is about 16 to 18 inches high due to the upstairs ceiling. Did I do the right thing?
I mean, it's fine. I don't overthink this and don't lose sleep over it. If you ventilate what you can, and if you can't, just let it go at that. But as far as it goes, you didn't hurt anything. You can't hurt anything by ventilating an attic space or a crawl space. You're never going to cause a problem. You'll only, try to improve a situation.
So I'm curious why, when he went and put the vents down, he said everything was blocked. Is it possible like the insulation has just moved down there? Is there a way to clear that away to open up those vents, Tom?
I'm sure you could if it's blocked, but on this case, I think it's more of the blocking because of the exposed rafters and things on the house. So
okay,
it's the way the house was built. And sometimes you have to compromise in life. If you have a certain style home that doesn't allow you to have traditional soffit vents, ridge vents, things like that, just let it go. I always tell people don't overthink it, and it's okay. And if you do some stuff, it's fine. But yeah, what he did is fine, and it'll work out.
So but he said at least he got some ventilation. That's better than no ventilation up there. All right. The whole idea though is just to get moisture out. So if he's moving the air, it's doing some good.
This whole idea that you're going to cool your house by ventilating the attic is a falsity. That's a good word for it. It doesn't
even a
work
falsehood.
that way. There's a lot of false things in this world.
Yeah.
But as far as that goes, it's not going to work that way. It's to get water vapor out of your attic.
All right. You want to get a question out of your mind? Why don't you go ahead and send it to us? Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video like this. And we post them every day. You'll find them on our YouTube channel. And if you go there and you subscribe and you click the little bell, it'll tell you when we post a new one. And if you like them, click that thumbs up. We really appreciate that.